Introducing My Style Deco Art Adhesive Sheets from Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. My Style Deco Art Adhesive Sheets are a super fun and easy way to design or embellish almost anything, from jewelry to home decor. The list is endless. Creating vibrant and unique designs is quick and easy with My Style Adhesive Sheet. Simply match up the desired area on the sheet with the component or object to be embellished. Then trace the outline. Use a pair of sharp scissors or flush cutters to snip between the rows or cut directly through the squares. Cut out a section of the design to fit your component, or separate the squares into strips, or individual squares for a custom mosaic design. You can even use die cutters or scrapbook punch to quickly and easily create consistently shaped design elements. Applying the My Style Deco Art Adhesive Sheets is easy. Once you've cut out the desired shape, simply remove the backing from the Deco Art embellishment, being careful not to touch the adhesive backing, as the oils on your skin will reduce the adhesive quality of the sheet. Then apply your embellishment directly to the surface of your design. It's recommended you apply an additional adhesive such as DevCon or E6000 to the surface of your component for additional security. This is highly recommended for items with high chance of wear and tear or an irregular or porous surface. Design it, embellish it, customize it, make it yours with My Style Deco Art Adhesive Sheets from FireMountainGems.com.